Hello guys, here is tips to use the Tesla steering wheel. You can now use the Tesla wheel as a mouse wheel. It will help to move the internet window up and down. Tesla steering wheel has a scroll button on the left and right side that can be used to control various functions in the car. It will work as a right scroll button that control autopilot features like Autosteer and traffic aware cruise control, and left scroll button that control volume, media, navigation and phone call. During phone call, you can tilt the left scroll wheel to answer or decline a call and tilt the right to end the call. You can also control your wiper speed like left or right scroll to select the wiper speed.